Hello. Now that you have formatted a disk on your Commodore 64 with a 1541 disk drive, it's time to save a program. Here I have a program, and all it does is it's line 10, print, quote, world of Commodore, space, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. That's all it does. When you type in run, ta-da, it fills the screen with world of Commodore, world of Commodore. Press the control key, it'll slow it down. You can see, there it is. It's dandy, it's beautiful. But that's not why we're here. We are going to save, quote, world Commodore, quote, comma 8, and press enter. And then the program will go away. We can load in the program's still in memory, but right now it's going to go away because I'm going to load the directory. And we're going to see that indeed there is a program called World Commodore on the disk. Right now the program is not there. We don't have it. Because when you load a directory, it takes it away. So you got to make sure before you do something like that, you save whatever you're working on. Don't be writing a program you're all happy about and say, hey, let me look at the directory of that disk. Don't do it. Don't do it. Anyway, so there, we have written a program in BASIC. We have saved it on our Commodore 64 with a 1541 disk drive. Life is good. Bye for now.